We have a circle with center A and the radius is 5. AC is 5, meaning that AD must be 5 as well. And a circle with center B with radius 8. So BC is 8, then BE must be 8 as well. D, B, and A is a right triangle, and we need to find the perimeter of the shaded region. To find the perimeter of the shaded region, we need to find the length of DE. So for part A here, the perimeter is actually the length of DE plus the arc DC as well as the arc EC. To find the length of DE, take note that triangle ADB is a right triangle with angle D, the right angle. We can find the length of DB using the Pythagorean theorem. So that would be the square root. 8 plus 5, that would give you 13. So we have 13 squared minus 5 squared. And that should give us a value of 12. So DB here is 12 centimeters. Then DE would be 12 minus 8. So that is 4 centimeters. And for this perimeter, DE is 4. To find DC, DC is an arc length. Arc length is given by radius times this angle A here. So the radius times the angle A must be in radian. We need to find angle A. And let's look at this. From this right triangle, 5 is the adjacent, and then AB is the hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse gives you cos. Cos A is 5 over 13. Then angle A is the inverse cos of 5 over 13. So that angle A in radian is 1.176. You have to find this in terms of radian. So that is angle A. Then DC here is given by the product of the radius and angle A in radian. So DC is 5 times 1.176. To find EC, that is just the arc length for circle with center B, we need to find angle B now. So based on this right triangle, we have opposite over the hypotenuse, which is sine. Sine of angle B is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Then angle B is the inverse sine of 5 over 13. Use the radian mode in your calculator, and we have angle B equals 0.3948. Then the arc length EC is 8 times 0.3948. So we do the computation here, and we have 13.0384 centimeters. Part B, to find the area of the shaded region, what we could do is the area of the shaded region is actually the area of triangle ABD minus the area of this sector and that sector. Then you will get the area of the shaded region. So let's say the area of triangle ABD is a right triangle, so we have half of base times height, and that is 30 square centimeters. And in order to find the area of sector ADC, That is given by half r squared theta. So r squared is 5 squared. Angle A is 1.176, and that is 14.7 square centimeter. Area of sector BCE. So we have half r squared, so it's square, and theta is 0.3948. That is 12.6336. The area of the shaded region is the area of the triangle minus the area of the two sectors. Which is 2.6664, and we can write this as 2.67 square centimeters.